I did it! I did it! I was finally able to get my hands on Pokémon First Partner Series 2. You don't know how many Scalpers I had to fight to get these. They chased me all the way to the parking hall, but I was able to lose them because I'm fat as fuck, boy. But anyway, I think they're still after me, so we better go home fast and go open it. Let's go. Okay, so I was able to grab myself 9 of these bad boys. 3 separate ones and 6 in a sealed carton. Ooh, look at this. Fresh from the batch. Nice. I think this set will be sold out within a minute. This is so high in demand. Just like the Series 1, the Series 2 will be sold out, so get it fast while you can. Beat the Scalpers. Okay, so let's see the box first. It has 2 packs and 1 special pack. On the side we have the Leaf Pokémons, top Water Pokémons. Here we have some Fire Pokémons, and on the back, ooh, we have all the starters. Nice, the most popular ones. Well, it's missing the Mudkip. I think they should add the Mudkip next time, but yeah. Here's some text if you want to read. Ooh, it also comes with a sticker sheet. Nice. I can't wait to open this. Let's get right into the box. Let's hope we get some epic pulls. How do we open it without making the box go broken? I don't know. I don't think we need the box, even though it's pretty. Let's just open it like this. We are inside the box. The box is empty. Nice. And ooh, so here's the stickers. Wow. Looks really high quality. Nice ink. And you can put this like on your computer, on your refrigerator maybe. This is good. They even have this energy as a sticker. Bonus points for that. Let's put it inside. And here we have the main thing. Which one should we start first? This is the special pack. It only comes with 3. I think this is the main thing, so this one we're gonna save later. It has some promo cards or something. Then we have Perfect Order, Mega Evolution, and Chaos Rising. Let's start with the Perfect Order, because that's the most boring one. So we're gonna save this for the later. Here we go. First Partner Illustration Collection. Will we get any epic pulls? Here we go. And if you play the video game, mobile game I mean, you can have this code. Enjoy. Card trick. I think it's one from the back. I haven't opened many of these, so. Energy. Spevba. Potion. Clefairy. Ooh, nice artwork. It's psychic for some reason. Havluka. Sorry if I mispronounce it because I'm not familiar with these newer generation Pokemons. I'm more like a Gen 1 to 3 myself. Aromatisse. Okay, interesting. Chachinte. This is impossible to pronounce, sorry. Chachinte. Okay. Luxio. Reverse holo. Nice. Meowstick. Okay. 2 reverse holos. Growing energy. What? This is the rare we got. Energy. Ew. What a crappy pack we started with. Unbelievable. Who wants to get energy as a special card? Not me. Well, let's hope the other packs are better. Here we go. Get the code if you play the video game. And energy. Golbat. Nice. Finally some Pokemon I know myself. Berekmite. Espuro. Minsino. Okay. Adversity policy. So they advertise the policies. You can put ads on this video. That's my policy. Sudowoodo. Yes, this is from Pokemon Gold and Silver. You have to put water bottle on the tree, and then it goes away. Aints Floette, okay. Emma, ooh, my waifu. Keldeo, okay. And the rare is Godra. I didn't even know this Pokemon. Damn. What a crappy pack again. Well, let's hope this one brings us some luck. The special promo collection. Oh, Sneevy and Tepik and Oshawott. Okay, and here's also some code. Well, I was hoping to get Totodile because that's the best one, but we didn't get it. At least we got some of them. Yeah. Should we open second one? I don't know. I promised that I take it to my friend, but maybe we can open one more just for the video. Let's open one more. Sorry, my friend. You're only gonna have 7 after this because I'm opening one of them. So, sticker collection and I just had to open second one because these pulls, they don't do it for me. I have to get something epic. So, this time we're gonna start with the lion. Code for you guys. Energy. Guiladin. Domfan. Braixen. Skrelp. Avalug. Advertised policy. Shudawood again. In the same order. How is this possible? This back is rigged. Beldum, reverse holo. Vulpix. Ooh, this is nice. I like this. What? Nitro energy. We have 2 special energy cards already. What is this luck? I don't get it. Let's hope perfect order brings us some luck. I don't think it will, but let's just hope. So, the code. Energy. Ghastly. Espuro. Salandit. Fletchling. Talonflame. Naveen. Aiglash. Servine. Ariados. This is from Generation 2, I like this. And the legendary is Landorus. Well, I don't know, man. We got so bad pulls, it's unbelievable. Let's hope we at least get Totodile. Let's see what happens. Get the cards for the mobile game. And Snivy, so it's the same as before. Tebik, same as before. Oshawott, same as before. This pack was rigged. Do you think you get the same pulls if you get it from the same, like, carton? I don't know. I think that is the way. This one proves it. But yeah, this was it, the unboxing. There's still 7 more, but I can't open it because it's from my friend. So yeah, we got some extremely unlucky pulls. I mean, 2 energies as a rare from 4 packs. How is that possible? And the other rares also not great either. And the special promo cards. How is it possible we get duplicate set of the exact same cards? Is it always like this that you get it from the same generation? Like you cannot get Totodile as the water Pokemon with these 2? Comment below if you know how the mechanism works. And subscribe and like the video for more epic Pokemon unboxings. I will go buy more of these. I will go beat the Scalpers to get them. And let's hope I get more epic. Let's hope I get any epic legendary pulls next time. Thanks for watching and see you guys soon.